Hello, loves. I know that for some, garlic can be an intense ingredient, right? But the benefits it brings to health, especially when combined with water, are surprising. Perhaps what you may not know is that garlic water can help strengthen immunity, protect the heart, control diabetes, prevent colon cancer, and much more. It can even help reduce inflammation and pain. But like everything, there's a little secret, right? Today I will reveal some of them to you because we cannot use garlic water just any way. For example, what is better? Drinking garlic water on an empty stomach or after meals? Warm water or cold? Could there be contraindications? You're curious, right? So stay with me until the end, and I will tell you everything. Today's video is based on the most updated scientific articles and also on the opinions of specialists, nutritionists, and nutraceuticals. And that's why, folks, you can trust that this content is responsible for you. I am Anamaria Keverine, and you are on Dr. Anamaria's Tips. I am a dentist with a postgraduate degree in functional nutrition. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel, share, because I'm going to tell you something. There's no cheaper remedy than this one I'm going to share with you today. It will definitely help a lot of people. Now, many people already know that garlic is considered a superfood, right? That means it is a functional food, which is not just for adding flavor to your food, but it has bioactive properties that will improve our overall health. The most well-known substance in garlic is allicin, which is a compound that comes from the moment we peel or crush the garlic, and it's that ultra-smelly sweat that appears in garlic after 1 or 2 minutes, you know. If you let the garlic rest for about 10 minutes, we'll have a large concentrated amount of allicin. Did you know? It turns out that this substance acts as a natural antibiotic and also as an immune system stimulant. But garlic doesn't only have allicin as a medicinal compound. It also contains sulfur compounds, sulfur organics. These are substances that help reduce atherosclerosis and also lower cholesterol. It inhibits the platelet aggregation factor. This is very important for our health. Garlic also has antibacterial properties. To give you an idea, it improves chronic and acute skin infections. Doesn't stop there. It has more than 10 bioactive substances that combined make this food a natural remedy. Some recent studies concluded that garlic has an anti-tumor agent, and this agent reduces the formation of colon cancer in the large intestine by 75%. The only thing is that this study was done on rats, but it already has a very good prognosis for us. Cool, right? Now tell me, if you drink garlic water every morning, what will happen to you? Well, to start, you will have a strengthened immune system, more resistance to opportunistic infections. Some researchers from Unicamp have already proven the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action of garlic, combating free radicals and protecting cells from damage, that is, from premature aging. That's why our grandparents knew how to deal with severe joint pain without needing to take medicine and lived their whole lives. Well, this is because garlic combats premature aging, pain. Did you understand? Garlic water also improves your cardiovascular health, that is, heart health. A study published in 2016 showed that garlic helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also prevents heart disease. But the important thing to say here, folks, that it's no use just drinking garlic water and not taking care of the rest. You need to exercise, avoid fried foods and trans-saturated fats. Okay? Garlic water in the morning on an empty stomach also helps regulate, you know what? Blood sugar levels. It contributes to the control of type 2 diabetes. Cool, right? Garlic water also helps detoxify the body that is overloaded with medications. So if you are taking a lot of medications, many drugs, like me who is undergoing chemotherapy, every week garlic water is excellent. It helps eliminate the residues of that medication that remains circulating in the body and also alleviates the neuropathic pain from the treatment. If you are undergoing any cancer treatment, consult your doctor to see if it's okay, because it's a type of natural remedy that does not affect your body. It only has a positive impact. Garlic water also helps prevent atherosclerosis because it helps prevent the formation of those fat plaques that build up inside the arteries, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And this was published by the Federal University of São Paulo, Unifesp. Another benefit of garlic water is that it is good for your digestive system. First, because it has an antiparasitic action and helps eliminate intestinal worms. This is in the Brazilian Journal of Veterinary Parasitology. And Another thing is that garlic water also improves digestion because it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and facilitates the digestion of food. It also helps in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases, and some studies have already shown positive effects against Alzheimer's due to garlic's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. So, it doesn't hurt to try. It doesn't hurt to include this in your routine, right? Another thing it does is increase energy and vitality. If you are waking up tired or need more energy for physical performance, during those times, garlic can help improve performance. It also increases endurance, and this is stated by UNIFESP, the Brazilian Journal of Sports Medicine. Now, big question you might have is the following. What is better? Drinking water with garlic or just consuming garlic? It's a good one, right? It depends on the person and also on the body. It happens that many people do not have good digestibility with raw garlic, and in some cases it can even cause gastritis or irritation of the gastric mucosa. I myself not consume raw garlic in the amount of 1 clove, as it gives me a cramp in my stomach. Have you ever felt that? And it's not just me. I have read some reports and comments on my video that I made about the benefits of garlic, and some people feel the same symptom. That's why consuming water with garlic is a better way to take it, because you can ingest the right amount every day without irritating your stomach or intestines. Another advantageous aspect of drinking water with garlic is that in water, this substance, allicin and others, become more bioavailable, meaning you can take better advantage of these substances. Otherwise, they will be lost. To access these substances in garlic without losing their properties, it needs to be consumed raw, which is the best option, or cooked in water. And the worst option for garlic is frying. That's why that beautiful fried garlic on your broccoli is only tasty, but has nothing in it except garlic and oil, right? Sad reality, isn't it? And water with garlic. What is the best time to consume it, do you know? Experts say that on an empty stomach, it has better absorption of benefits, improves digestibility, and also gives you more energy to do your physical activities during the day. And what about the temperature? It's better to consume it at warm temperature, because when you wake up, your body expects to receive something close to its internal temperature, warm or without ice. And so, when you ingest this garlic water, your body receives your solution better and doesn't have to waste time trying to control the cold temperature. But then, how do you make garlic water? Difficult, huh? Look, we'll give you 2 options to make it. You can test at home which one is better for you. The first, you peel 2 medium cloves of garlic and let it form allicin for 2 or 3 minutes. Remember that if you leave it for 10 minutes, the amount of allicin will be much greater, okay? It will have a higher concentration. After that, you can put it in a glass with filtered water in the amount of 150 ml and let it rest overnight, and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning when you wake up, without eating the garlic, just ingesting the water. Now the second way is to peel the garlic and let it form allicin the same way. Crush or grate a raw garlic clove and put it in 200 ml of water. You mix it in the water and let the solution release for about an hour. You can drink the water and the garlic every day. If you want, you can add a few drops of lemon to your mixture. So, which one will be your option? Leave it here for me in the comments. Remember, folks, that this tip is a supplement to help you improve your health, immunity, energy. It does not replace medical treatment or medication. For you who made it this far, you might be interested in watching my video on the benefits of garlic to better understand how powerful garlic can be. I will leave it in the recommendations. Go in there now, link to this video, and you will discover the thousands of benefits of garlic and why we treat garlic as a true natural remedy. To those who are following me in the YouTube community, I thank you for all the affection, support, and messages of hope you are giving me during this journey I am facing against breast cancer and its challenges. Folks, don't forget to take care of yourselves, okay? I'm calling on you to pay attention to yourselves, the signs of your body, the alert for women regarding the breast cancer. For men now, make sure to get your routine exams. You who are a man over 40, don't forget to get your prostate exam. Let's prevent people. Folks, this video was made with artificial intelligence. Because of my treatment, due to my condition, I am a bit weak. So we used artificial intelligence. You are seeing an avatar of me, an avatar of Dr. Anamaria. What did you think of this experience? Leave it here for me in the comments, okay? If you don't know my story, then watch this video here that I will leave for you to understand. A big kiss